This is our oral care kit, and in this video I'm going to show you the right sequence of using the oral products. Using the right sequence will give you an excellent oral hygiene. Oil pulling should be the first thing that you do in the morning on an empty stomach. The oil helps reduce the bad bacteria in your mouth. We generally recommend oil pulling once a week, but you can also do it every day if time permits. Second thing that we recommend is flossing, generally once a day in the night before brushing your teeth. The third thing that we recommend is brushing your teeth. It is to be done twice a day, once in the morning and once in the night before sleeping and after flossing your teeth. Fourth is tongue cleaning. We generally recommend you to clean your tongue twice a day, that is in the morning and in the night after brushing your teeth. Tongue cleaning is a very important part of your oral hygiene routine because most of the bacteria that give you bad breath live on the surface of the tongue. And the last thing in your oral hygiene routine is mouthwash. We generally recommend you to use a mouthwash twice a week after brushing your teeth. For a great oral hygiene, use the right dental products and follow the right sequence. For any doubts, you can always give us a call on our free helpline number. Thank you.